Hi, I'm Noah Webster, founder of Skin Safeguard. One of the questions I get asked most often is, why create another skincare tool company? And honestly, it's a fair question. There are already countless extractors, spatulas, and skincare tools available. But when we started Skin Safeguard, we were not interested in creating another version of what already existed. We wanted to understand whether professional extraction tools could actually be improved. That starts by looking at tools differently. Most products begin with an existing tool and make small changes. We try to start one step earlier, from first principles. We ask, what is this tool actually supposed to do? What's the workflow like? What is the professional trying to accomplish? What makes the tool easier to control? What affects visibility, precision, glide, pressure, comfort, cleanability, and long-term performance, as well as client outcomes? Once you start asking those questions, every detail becomes worth evaluating. The shape, the surface, the edge geometry, the material, the handle, the ergonomics, the balance, the durability, the way that the tool looks against the skin. All of these superfine details, and the way that it feels after repeated use in a real treatment room. A good example is something as simple as an extraction loop. So precise, so small, so simple. Most people see a small metal loop. We see dozens of design decisions. The loop size, the loop shape, the edge softness, the surface finish, the contact area, the visual contrast, and how the tool behaves in the hands of licensed professionals. Those details may seem small, but they can directly affect the experience of using the tool. And that is really the difference with Skin Safeguard. We are not just trying to make tools that look different, we are trying to build tools and workflows that are way more intentional, more controlled, and more useful in the treatment room. But we also know that engineering alone is not enough. Skin Safeguard is built in very close collaboration with licensed estheticians and our Skin Safeguard Pro Board. We work with them every single week to shape our tools, guide our education, test ideas, challenge assumptions, and make sure everything we create is grounded in real treatment room experience. That collaboration is extremely important to us because the goal is not to build products in isolation. The goal is to build tools and education with professionals who actually understand the workflow, the client experience, and the judgment required during extractions. It's very nuanced and precise. Another major area we focus on is the skin contact surface itself. Most people think about the shape of the tool, but the surface matters too. That's what led us to develop the Skin Safeguard Surface Standard. It's an all-new surface standard. It's our framework for evaluating materials, surface finish, durability, cleanability, visual contrast, and overall performance in professional skin contact tools. We believe surface technology deserves more attention in the aesthetics industry, especially for tools that are used for direct contact with the skin. You will also see us share a lot of our process publicly. You will see prototypes. You will see testing. You will see design revisions. You will see what we are learning from estheticians, educators, and real product development. We believe transparency helps create better products, better education, and stronger trust with the professionals we are building for. At the end of the day, Skin Safeguard is not just about making extractors. It's also about raising the standard for professional extraction through thoughtful design, engineering, education, and true collaboration. We want to support estheticians with tools and resources that help them improve their technique, strengthen their decision-making, and create better experiences for their clients. That is the Skin Safeguard difference. I'm Noah Webster, founder of Skin Safeguard. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to show you what we're building.